Hello and welcome to another tutorial from Rusty Mango Design. In this tutorial we're going to look at how you set up the SEO information, that is the search engine optimization information, for your blog posts so that Google pays them the attention that you think they deserve. To do that, I've installed a plugin called the Yoast, that's Y for yellow, Yoast SEO plugin, and it's available through the plugins button on the dashboard of your WordPress site. I've already got it installed, so we're going to dive straight into our posts. I'll come over to the main menu over here and click on the word posts, and this brings up a list of all the posts that I have in my website at the moment. The SEO plugin has added a new column in here, and these buttons will light up with different colors depending on how much work you've done on their SEO factors. So for example, if you've done a little bit, they might be orange. If you've done none whatsoever, they're grey at the moment. If you've touched on it but not quite done enough, they'll be red. And if they're perfect and they're doing the right thing in regards to SEO, they'll be green. I'm going to dive into this post here and show you how to fix it up so that we can turn that little light at the end of this row into green. Here's my blog post. I've got a title at the top. Obviously the text is down here in the edit area. And if I keep scrolling down, I get the Yoast SEO information here. These little buttons here are little tips that Yoast gives to you in regards to things that you need to fix up for this particular website. Once a lot more of these are green, you'll get an overall green color up the top here in the publish box. At the moment that's grey because we haven't done any SEO information just yet. Let's have a look at the first one. The first option we have here, it says no focus keyword. So I'm going to type in some keywords. In this case, I'm going to type in sore feet. And you'll need to notice straight away, I've got 4 green lights coming up. Bang, I've nailed those 4 things just by typing in 2 words. The next option up here tells me that the text contains 142 words and they recommend a minimum of 300. So let's get some more words in here. I'm just going to copy and paste a little bit more information about this particular foot problem. Scroll up here and I'll just add it in at the end here. So I'll put some more information in there. I'll come down here and I've got another green light. The text now contains 324 words. Perfect. Another red light. No meta description has been specified. Now the meta description is shown up here, and you might see that and say that looks familiar. That's the information that Google displays for this particular blog post when it comes around and checks it out using its little Google bots. I need to add in a section of text underneath here, which is known as my description. Now I can just use a little bit out of the main blog post, so that's what I'll do. I'm going to come up here. I'll just grab the first few words there, copy, come down here and click on edit snippet, and I'll paste that in there. Now you'll notice the text has gone red straight away because there's too many words. I'll just keep backspacing. Okay, I'm now back to green. I'm going to just do 3 dots here to say that there's more to read if you click on this particular thing in Google. And I'll close the snippet edit. You'll see that I now have the meta description has been satisfied and it contains the focus keywords. Here it is here, sore feet. Once again, look for the next red light. No images appear in this page. Well, let's fix that up. I've put an image in my media library already. It's this one here. I'll just set up how it displays. I might not do full size. I'll go back to a little bit smaller. And we'll set it to the right. Insert to page. There it is there. Once again, down to the SEO area, I have an image. And you'll see that that red light has disappeared from up here. So we've satisfied that particular item. Unfortunately, it's gone to being an orange item. The images on this page do not have alt attributes containing the keyword. So let's go back up to that image, click on it. You would have covered this in one of my other tutorials. I'll go to edit and I'll give it some alternative text. That's what alt text is. So let's call that one children's sore feet. A little bit more information just to give to Google. Let's have a look at our next red tag down here. The keyword density is 0.3%. The keyword has only been found one time. Okay, so we need some more information about sore feet in the text here. So let's put a few more examples of the word sore attached to wherever feet is. Take that out. Let's go down. Okay, I've got no red lights. Awesome, let's keep going. No links appear in this page. I do actually have a link here where I grabbed this information from, so I'm going to turn that piece there into a link. Alright. The SEO title contains the focus keyword, but it does not appear at the beginning. Try and move it. I might just leave it where it is. The reason I'm leaving where it is, if you look down here, I've got mostly green lights, 2 orange lights, and if I scroll back up to my publish window, I have a green light here. So I have satisfied SEO for Google, for Yoast, so I can now click on update and say that my job is done. This post has now been optimized in regards to search engine optimization, and when the next little Googlebot comes by, it will smile upon this post because we've ticked all the boxes. Now that was for a blog post. If you go into your pages for your website, it's exactly the same setup. You'll see that I've done a few in here already. These ones need a little bit more tweaking, but it's exactly the same process. You go to the actual edit page screen, the same SEO box there will be from Yoast, and you make the same changes. Good luck with your SEO.